So in this video we're going to demonstrate how to add nodes to a storage cluster. So as you can see here, we've got two nodes not added to a cluster at the moment that have been added to the management console. There's no entries for any IP address for the cluster information for those two nodes. So we're going to select those nodes and click Add to Volume. What you see now is the ability to select which volume we want to add those two nodes to. This is a storage cluster. We click Submit and we go out to those nodes and we work a number of commands to add those nodes to the existing storage cluster. This doesn't take very long, and shortly you'll get an acknowledgement that has been completed. Now you can go back into the management console in the storage node area, and you can see that those two nodes you've just added are now part of the storage cluster that is already shared. There is no downtime involved in this process, and there is no effect on existing storage availability. Now you have more storage capacity than you previously had before. Thank you.